Hi, I'm Jeff Francisco, President and CEO of the DaVinci Group. We're here at Cedia 2018, and we have, I think it's the hottest product on the show floor. It's the Vail Amp from Vanguard. What the Vail Amp is doing is taking the power of the Echo Dot that Amazon has and making that accessible to every custom installer as a great option for an install. You simply take an Amazon Echo Dot, you put it into our little Vail amp here, and what this is, this provides 30 watts times 2 of power. Easy install. You put that guy in, it has easily low voltage power to hook it up. Anyone can do it. You drop the power down the wall to a simple wall plate. Hook that wall plate up, and now you've powered it. Hook the speaker outputs up to a pair of speakers, and you're ready to go in one simple system. This is an ideal system to either put for one room and get the power of Amazon Alexa into that one room, or an entire home. And what we're doing is just leveraging that incredible power that the Dot has. It's also a fantastic replacement for a volume control. We actually have a simple little configuration so that you can take the volume control out, and you're already pre-wired for the Vail amp. You use the 2 wires going to the speakers, and most volume control plugs will plug right into the back of our Vail amp, and then you'd use the power, or the lines that are going back to the amplifier, and you use those to power the Vail amp. And we have a simple power supply that integrates into that. So in minutes, you can actually be up and running from the oldest technology that's in the home, probably giving you volume on FM radio, to the absolute newest and best streaming technology. The Vail amp is available on its own for $299 retail, or the Vail amp with a pair of our FLC 600 speakers for $500 retail. You can check all this out with us at the DaVinci Group at vanguarddynamics.com or at tdgaudio.com. Once again, I'm Jeff with the DaVinci Group, and come and check us out.